Free AI tools for restaurant owners. What actually works? Picture this. It's 11 p.m., service just ended, your feet hurt, and somewhere on your phone there's a Google review waiting for a response, an Instagram post that needed to go up 3 days ago, and a to-do list that somehow got longer during the dinner rush. That's just a Tuesday. Running a small restaurant means you're doing the job of 5 people before noon. But here's what independent owners are starting to figure out. There are free AI tools right now that can quietly knock out a few of those nagging tasks for you. Not all of them, not the hard ones, but enough to matter. Menu descriptions. The words on your menu are doing sales work every single time someone reads them. There's a real difference between grilled chicken and herb-marinated half chicken, roasted until the skin crisps, served with whipped garlic potatoes. That's not fancy, it's just specific. And AI can do a first draft in under a minute. ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, free tier, works great here. Paste in your menu item names, tell it about your restaurant's vibe and customers, and ask for appetizing descriptions. One taqueria owner pasted in birria tacos, 3 per order, got 4 options in 4 minutes, and picked one. Honest limitation. ChatGPT has never tasted your food. The more specific you are about ingredients and what makes your version different, the better the result. Think of it as a very fast first draft machine that needs your direction. Social media. Most restaurant owners know they should post more. They just can't find the time at 11 p.m. after service. Here's a practical fix. Meta AI is built free into Instagram. Draft captions, brainstorm ideas, or pull hashtags for dish photos. For more conversational tone, try Claude.ai, free tier. A pizza shop owner used it to write 5 Instagram captions for the whole week. Monday post, midweek special, staff moment, weekend push, Sunday wrap-up. 10 minutes of editing, then scheduled through Meta's free scheduler. Done. Watch for. AI captions can sound the same after a while. Your regulars notice when everything reads like a template. Mix in your own voice at least half the time. Online reviews. Responding to reviews signals to Google that you're active and engaged. It also signals to future customers that you care. But it's time-consuming, and people write the same bland response over and over. Paste a review into ChatGPT or Google Gemini, gemini.google.com, free, and ask for a response that sounds like the owner, addresses what the customer mentioned, and invites them back. Gemini is worth trying specifically for reviews because it's built into Google's world, where most restaurant reviews live. One diner owner got a 3-star review saying service was slow, but the pie was excellent. She pasted it into Gemini, asked for a warm response acknowledging the wait, and mentioning they'd added a second server on weekends. 15 seconds later, she had a solid draft. She changed one sentence and posted it. Serious limitation. AI doesn't know what actually happened that night. If there was a specific situation behind a complaint, a generic response can come across as dismissive. Always read the draft before it goes live. Customer questions. Tidio.com, free plan, lets you add a simple AI chatbot to your restaurant website. If you're constantly answering questions about hours, parking, reservations, or gluten-free options, a chatbot can answer those automatically at 10 p.m. when you're asleep. One Mediterranean restaurant owner set one up in 30 minutes and now gets immediate answers instead of losing customers to faster competitors. The honest picture. These tools are free and available right now. They can take real tasks off your plate: menu writing, social content, review responses, basic customer questions. But none of them replace your judgment. The ones that work best are where you give clear direction, read what comes back, and make it sound like you before it goes anywhere. Back to that Tuesday night at 11 p.m. You still have to close the restaurant. But maybe the review is already handled, the week's posts are scheduled, and menu descriptions got refreshed in 10 minutes. That's not a miracle. That's just using what's available.